एनीवेयर बट राजस्थान। कहाँ से हो?
I mean, technically Rajasthan.
माही।
So the work I do is mostly business development.
I don't know.
I'm an actor, so that's my job. So
Oh, you're an actor.
yeah.
आप इम्प्रेस होते जा रहे हो, गड्ढे में गिरते जा रहे हो, है ना एकदम। एक्चुअली कैमरा ना आपके पीछे है, तो पीछे पीछे मुड़ के बोल दो। हाँ, यस। कुछ लोग स्वाइप राइट अपना 5th टाइम अटेंड कर रहे हैं मैच मेकिंग के लिए। तालियां सर के लिए। यस। इतने शोज में आ चुके हैं, हम इंश्योर करेंगे कि उनका मैच आज भी ना हो, ठीक है? ताकि स्टार्ट क्लैपिंग फॉर इति। You've seen this show पहले। You seem very
Yes,
interactive.
I have.
Let's just start with the matchmaking. ठीक है?
Now that I have to like give ranks, I have to wear
Oh
my
wow.
top.
Okay, सुनिधि।
नहीं, I think ये लड़का क्यूट है, ब्लू वाला।
ब्लू वाला क्यूट है एंड आप कमिटेड हो? ब्रेकअप हो गया? ओ तालियां, यस! भाई बहुत रीसेंट ब्रेकअप हुआ है, बट आई थिंक सेज अ लॉट अबाउट योर टाइप, ठीक है? ओके।
I am not going by color, but ये blue guy is also cute.
आई थिंक यू गोइंग बाय स्किन कंप्लेक्शन।
The blue shirt guy.
ठीक है, ब्लू
is
शर्ट, ठीक है।
decent.
हर्ष है ना आपका नाम सर?
Tarun.
तरुण, ओके। वी कैन जस्ट टॉक टू द बोथ ऑफ देम साथ में, टेक योर Q&A एंड क्विज देम टू टेस्ट कंपैटिबिलिटी, ठीक है? चश्मा उतार दे, ठीक है? ओके। टू हैव अ डिंक हाउस होल्ड। यहाँ पे किसको पता है डिंक क्या होता है? डिंक, DINK। आपको पता है डिंक? अरे डबल इनकम 9 किड्स यार, आपको नहीं पता?
Do you take like many selfies in a day?
No, not like
Okay. Do you have an Instagram?
that. Yeah, I do.
How many times do you post?
Every day.
ये कहाँ जा रहे हैं हम इस बात से?
Basically, you know, I'm an influencer, so called. So I have to post it. So a lot of brands will approach, so I have to post the videos for them.
Oh, okay. So it's business for you. Basically.
Business, it's a business.
Okay, got
I'm an
it.
actor, so that's my job. So
Oh, you're an actor.
yeah.
आप इम्प्रेस होते जा रहे हो, गड्ढे में गिरते जा रहे हो, है ना एकदम। मन में लड्डू फूटा।
Where are you from?
Guess?
Bombay?
No, I'm a South Indian.
Oh, Bangalore, sir?
Tamil Nadu.
Chennai?
No, Rameshwaram, near to Rameshwaram.
Oh.
But-
but रामेश्वर से कल्चर तो होगा थोड़ा बहुत, ऐसा मुझे लग रहा है.
इतनी तुम्हें 2 सेकंड पहले तमिलनाडु में चेन्नई के अलावा कोई सिटी नहीं पता थी।
मुझे और पता है वहाँ की सिटी. Shut up.
Tarun, one thing you definitely want from your date or partner.
I think I want them to understand me and support my profession. Because a lot of people now they'll comment, "Hey cutie, hey hottie karenge." She shouldn't be like, "Hey kaun hai? Who's commenting?" I don't want them to know.
हाँ.
That profession is they have to trust me.
So you have to trust him कि emotional cheating है तो ठीक है वैसे, है ना? ये कह रहे हो ना आप?
Not emotional
हाँ,
cheating.
हाँ.
Comment section में cheating. Because they'll tell I'm cute, I'll send a heart to them. She shouldn't be like, why you send a red
Oh.
heart to them? You know.
देखा श्रेया, ये सब अलाउड है। मैं कब से बोल रहा हूँ तुम्हें कि if we give you infinite money, आप रोमांटिक डेट के नाम पे क्या कर सकते हो? For इति specifics.
Okay, I will take her to. Okay.
It take Iti out of equation. What
वो तो
is
कर ही
your
देगा 3 महीने में, but let's listen to romantically क्या कर सकते हो? Name, place, animal, thing, चारू बताओ.
Oh yeah.
Name
Ask
is
me something.
name is इति.
Okay.
Place कहाँ ले जाओगे? Place any city
Place.
in the world.
Place anywhere, her favorite place. I'll stalk her Instagram and I'll check it out.
Hmm.
Animal, I don't know. Mostly she might be a dog lover. I'm not sure.
Yes.
I have a husky, so I'll get my dog for her.
Oh.
यार यही होता है बम्बल पे ना, सब लड़के
ये तो
I think name, place, animal, thing. Thing. A lot of people like flowers, so I would give a lot of flowers and chocolates. So yeah.
mine are sunflowers. I love sunflowers.
Why should I give a flower to a flower? वो थोड़ा cringe हो जाएगा ना. But
बोलो बोलो यार बोलो, हमें cringe version
because
ही
she's
चाहिए।
already wearing like a like rose का this thing. So I wouldn't give her a rose. Rather than I'll just give her more chocolates and love.
This was worse than cringe. Okay. Do you think it's a swipe right?
It's a swipe right.
कितने नखरे कर। हाँ दे दो हाँ, मैं बीच में क्यों आ रहा हूँ ब्रोकर? हाँ ओके ठीक है, so swipe right, तालियां, yes. Manasa is comfortable with English, so this second row is out. If you had infinite money, what would you spend it on? Help poor kids customize my wardrobe. क्या?
Yeah.
अच्छा, customize my wardrobe
Yeah.
and also help poor kids. अच्छा sorry ठीक है. Okay.
Actually, Tarun is my senior at campus.
I'm taken.
I just was like, very surprising. Like, what are the odds that you meet your campus senior at a dating show?
I'm being loyal.
Okay. We shift to the guy behind him.
Sure.
भाई इंग्लिश में बात करने का प्रेशर नहीं है, बट प्रेफरेबल है, ठीक है? चलेगा? I can speak in Hindi.
I can speak in English, it's fine.
Okay.
Cutie.
Okay.
Yeah.
You are.
No, she's rejecting me.
I got that. I do this for a living. हाँ. Do you want a guy who changes for you?
Yeah. Not negative influence, in a better way.
I'll give less importance to my work.
अच्छा, if he becomes a person, ठीक है, job में, does networking to take promotions, does lesser work, gives you more time, but also keeps making more money. Are you like a purist that I would just earn the salary without taking favors?
So the work I do is mostly business development, so I need to take favors.
I don't know. I mean, he's trying to prove that he is ready to keep some time
Yes.
for me. So
He's
that's
changing
like
slightly for
though
you.
he's wearing red, he's agreeing.
Rahul bhai, you have to pretend to be Batman for a minute.
Okay.
Do a candlelight and it'll be a swipe right.
Why are we doing Batman? I don't like Batman.
Superman, Spider-Man, Vijay
Spider-Man.
Mallya. Spider-Man, ठीक है, Spider-Man.
Okay, Spider-Man. Yeah.
You actually want to. Okay, sorry. Spider-Man release हो रही है. You have to plan the date around the movie. Whole day. Breakfast पे कहाँ जाओगे?
Rameshwaram.
Bhai, no. I'm a food blogger,
ठीक
so
है.
Rameshwaram is the no.
Okay, Manasa, that's how we educate a North Indian about South Indian culture.
But yes, you're not a North Indian, no?
No, but my dad was in army, so I.
Unrich, unspoiled army brat. हाँ.
For breakfast, let's go to YDH Cafe. Have you heard about YDH Cafe?
No.
It's a very old school, very small dosa place.
Then you watch the movie, okay? हाँ. Then what will you do, bhai?
Then in the evening we can go to Corner House.
Yes, and even though there's so many desert spots. But my favorite is Paula Bear though.
Now everything you say is his favorite.
Yeah.
Is it?
Yeah, is it? Yeah, it is.
A green flag with a sense of humor, perfect
Yeah,
match. Is it a swipe right? Yes! Okay. Please give it to Rahul bhai. ठीक है? Rohit? Okay. ठीक है. It's a swipe right? Height और money में से आपने बोला है?
In this economy, money. But I would not say it because people would think it's a gold digger without knowing pura context.
So you'll say height.
Yeah, so I'll say height.
खड़े हो जाओ, चलो खड़े हो जाओ. हाँ. खड़े हो जाओ. हाँ हाँ. At the count of 3 बताना है कि last breakup का reason क्या था. ठीक है? 3, 2, 1.
पता नहीं.
Efforts आपका?
Yeah.
Same efforts. आप दोनों same लड़की को डेट कर रहे थे. आपने बहुत ही बढ़िया आंसर दिया था भाई अभिषेक भाई. पता नहीं आपको. Actually कैमरा ना आपके पीछे है तो पीछे मुड़ के बोल दो. हाँ. थोड़ा सपोर्ट करो अभिषेक भाई के लिए ताली. Yes, Abhishek bhai. Why did you break up? What do you think was the reason?
Okay, so she broke up with me. She just called me one day and she said, I can't do this anymore. And that's it, that was the end of it.
You didn't ask why.
I did, but she hung up and she was like, I can't do this anymore.
स्टेज पे आ जाओ. हाँ, आ जाओ स्टेज पे आ जाओ. Yes, let's go. Brilliant idea. हाँ, yes. देखो जब कंपनी से पिछली कंपनी से रिलीविंग लेटर नहीं मिला होता ना और नेक्स्ट कंपनी को हायर करना होता है, अभी वो सिचुएशन है.
नहीं, मैं पिछली कंपनी से फायर हुआ था फिर खुद की कंपनी स्टार्ट कर ली.
मैच्योरिटी तो टेस्ट हो गई नहीं है. ठीक है.
तो जब नहीं है तो क्यों? मतलब that is a deal breaker, no? तो नहीं है तो क्यों करना?
That's been Abhishek's time.
At least he's
Thank you.
considering. Yeah.
चलो आ जाओ सिद्ध भाई आ जाओ. Pick one, ambition या emotion. Pick one.
No, I can't. Like, it wouldn't be my complete self without.
He's very confused.
नहीं he is saying कि काम छोड़ देंगे तो उनकी पहचान क्या रह जाएगी मतलब फिर तो आप
हाँ तो काम नहीं छोड़ना है ना? क्यों छोड़ना?
क्या काम करते हो भाई आप?
I'm a lawyer.
Oh.
मैं आपका मैच करवा के रहूंगा. यार एक तो प्रॉब्लम ये है कि लॉयर से तुम कभी लड़ाई में जीत नहीं पाओगे.
मैं रो देती हूँ लड़ाई में तो I think.
Oh, wow,
So you
that
should
is-
have emotional maturity to handle that.
But that's the only way to win an argument with a lawyer. Infinite money, romantic date बताओ.
Whichever is her favorite dish. Let's say pasta. Then I would take her to Italy. where I
Hmm.
would get-
Okay.
Probably on the plane get some music of
Hmm.
her choice.
लियारी ले गए, बिरयानी खिला दी. और आगे?
Probably sightsee, walk. Probably some kind of sport.
I like that.
It's a match. Yes. ठीक है उनको जाते हुए दे दो रोज. ठीक है जैसे वो भाव खा रहे हैं रोज ना एकदम उल्टा कर देना. ठीक है. We'll start with the last question. ठीक है pick one for dating. Hometown या Bangalore? Anywhere but Rajasthan. Those guys just leave me with big therapy bills. Harsh, do you want to talk? आप हर्ष भाई का जो ब्रेकअप हुआ है. Of course. बढ़िया. आप राजस्थान से हो? गुड. कहाँ से हो?
I mean, technically Rajasthan.
राजस्थान आपका डील ब्रेकर था ना? हाँ ठीक है. अच्छा क्यूट लड़का देखा नहीं, रीबाउंड बनने चली हैं. ओके. CTC.
Very good.
7 digits per month.
6 to 7.
Any dating deal breakers for you other than cheating? Should have good communication skills that match his age. I can't express if I can't invest.
If you can't express, I can't invest.
If I can't read, you can repeat. आपको कॉन्फिडेंस और ह्यूमिनिटी में से कॉन्फिडेंस पसंद है ना?
हाँ जी.
ठीक है. अगर वो अभी स्टेज पे आके आपके साथ हल्का सा 30 सेकंड का बॉलरूम डांस कर लेंगे, आपको चलेगा? आ जाओगे? हम तेरे बिन अब रह नहीं सकते, तेरे बिना क्या वजूद मेरा. तानिया एक बारी तुम घुमाओ. फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी देखते हैं. यस. चैन भी मेरा दर्द भी मेरी आशिकी. ओह क्यूटी. तुम चलो भाई. बस प्रपोज भी कर दो घुटनों में जाके. अरे ये फॉर माई कंटेंट और एक्स को ब्लॉक करो, ठीक है?